And we're back to CapCut. Let me show you how you can export a video. We've got footage and audio here. On the top right you should find the export button. You can change the title, which is going to be the video file name. Export it to. Click on the folder right here. Pick something. For resolution you usually want to have 1080p for TikTok and YouTube. If you upload on X, 720 is sufficient. Check the file size. If I go down to 720, it's going to get smaller. That's something to keep in mind. But as I've said, YouTube and TikTok usually 1080p, and for X 720. Bitrate, keep it to recommended, but you can make it higher, which is going to increase the quality but also the file size. For format, H.264 is the most common, and you can easily use that once again for all social media platforms, so YouTube, TikTok. Beginners, I would recommend just using that. Format MP4, and the frame rate, if you use a different one right here, it might give you a warning message. It's a good idea to just keep the one that's selected by default. It should fit the video footage that you've used in your timeline, so in the project. And finally, we can also export the audio. So if you need that separately, you can export this as an MP3, for example. In our case, I don't need it. Caption exporting is a pro feature. So if you're on the free version, this is not available. Let me pick my desktop right here and I export it. This menu should pop up, and here you can also directly share it to TikTok or YouTube. If you want to do that, you have to be signed in though. And another pro feature here, it also changes the aspect ratio if you want that automatically to 9:16. I'm fine here, so I just cancel it. And that's all there is to exporting a video in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.